Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the final episode of the 3Y Bike Expo series. We've covered all 13 exhibition halls throughout this series. It includes 2 casual walkthroughs and 2 technical breakdowns. For this grand finale, I'm keeping it simple and straightforward. This video packs curated highlights and key industry data. I'm going to break down every update from this expo. It covers materials, techniques, models, and industry shifts. This recap suits riders, modifiers, and industry insiders. This conclusive recap is definitely worth saving. This expo is essentially a massive B2B trading platform. Global distributors, retailers, and purchasers gather here. It shapes next year's global bicycle production layout. Let's jump into this ultimate expo roundup. First up, a concise recap of every exhibition zone. W1 International Premium Zone hosts iconic bicycle brands. It includes Factor, Giant, and Merida. It features low modulus carbon and vacuum molding technology. Colnago is not placed inside the W1 hall. It is independently displayed in the N1 Custom Carbon Zone. W1 Industry Trend, high-end road racing iteration slows down. Luxury brands prioritize stable craftsmanship over upgrades. W2 is the cost-effective modification zone for mass manufacturers. It supplies budget-friendly carbon frames and DIY parts. Key brands are Oyama, Light Carbon, Evolve, Fast Sports. This hall gathers most local OEM factories for bicycle production. These factories now sell finished frames directly to individual riders. W2B2B Core Trend, local OEM factories complete brand transformation. Factories shift from foreign OEM to retail and wholesale business. They provide customizable frames for global small distributors. W3 is the juvenile bicycle zone for kids' bicycle products. It has modified nylon frames and professional suspension structures. W3 Industry Trend, nylon replaces alloy for kids' bicycle frames. Safety suspension becomes an industry mandatory standard. W4 is the cycling gear and accessory zone for upgrades. Italian supplier MIDI displays premium technical fabrics. It also contains advanced 3D printed carbon components. Aftermarket hardware and customized parts are concentrated here. W4B2B Trend, small batch customized parts gain global popularity. 3D printing lowers personalized hardware production costs. W5 is the innovation and prototype zone for futuristic bikes. It has shaft-driven bikes and 3D printed titanium frames. The famous mid-shaft-free concept bike is showcased right here. W5 Technical Trend, non-traditional frames are in iteration. Factories test hollow frames for future mass production plans. E&N halls contain various functional bicycle exhibition zones. E1 hosts heritage regional brands and new gravel bicycles. It includes Phoenix, Forever, Wuyang, and Evan gravel bikes. E1 Industry Trend, heritage brands accelerate gravel layout. They abandon low-end city bikes for outdoor markets. E2 and E3 serve as the core industrial supply chain base. It houses Bafang and emerging group set brand Nimbus. E2 E3 B2B Core, this region achieves full part production. Motors, bearings, and derailleurs complete industrial substitution. E4 focuses on international and regional tire manufacturers. E4 Tire Trend, modified rubber improves anti-slip performance. Wide gravel tires become mainstream tire development direction. E5 and E6 cover mainstream daily commuter e-bikes. It contains popular brands Yadia and Aima. E7 is an independent zone for high-end luxury electric bicycles. E5 E7 e-bike trend, silent motors dominate premium e-bikes. Hidden wiring and integrated tanks become luxury standards. N1 features niche handcrafted custom carbon bicycle builds. Luxury carbon brand Falco and Colnago have collections displayed here. N1 B2B Trend, custom carbon serves global collectors. Limited frames support exclusive customized commercial orders. I've sorted out 4 valuable technological breakthroughs. They will shape the cycling market over the next 2 years. First, the overall evolution of carbon fiber manufacturing. International brands adopt low modulus carbon cloth. Regional manufacturers master layered carbon stacking technology. Race-grade frames weigh 750 to 850 grams. Regional carbon products own outstanding cost performance. New structures debuted at this 2026 Shanghai Expo. It includes detachable axles and hollow midsection frames. Carbon B2B upgrade. Local factories cut production costs largely. They accept small batch customized carbon solutions for buyers. Second, advanced composite materials are widely adopted. Multiple new materials equip consumer-level bicycles. It improves shock absorption and durability drastically. Synthetic fiber spokes become a new premium wheel trend. Third, high-precision aftermarket components iterate rapidly. Ceramic bearings and titanium parts become mainstream upgrades. These parts lower maintenance costs and boost riding smoothness. Some brands provide lifetime warranty for ceramic wheels. Component B2B mode, factories launch bearing wholesale packages. Warranty policy helps regional wheels seize overseas markets. Fourth, electric bicycles achieve intelligent upgrading. Bafang silent motors deliver linear energy-efficient assistance. Integrated tanks appear on high-end triathlon e-bikes. I've handpicked the most remarkable bikes from this expo. Many underrated regional brands deserve global attention. Number 1, the shaft-free hollow concept bike in Vol.05. It cancels the traditional bottom bracket structure. External bearings create straighter power transfer paths. The whole bike weighs 9.4 kilograms. Its approximate retail price is around $7,500. It is currently only available for the local market. The enclosed drivetrain increases daily maintenance difficulty. Concept bike trend, factories explore extreme frame structures. Prototypes enhance brand credibility for B2B cooperation. Number 2, Giant's next generation T-Skier road bike. Vacuum molding makes it an entry-level industry benchmark. Number 3, region-produced group set Nimbus in E2. It resembles high-end electronic shifting systems in appearance. Its mass production price will stay below $300. It launches locally before global market distribution. I have contacted the brand for future deep testing. Group set industry trend, low-cost shifting brakes monopoly. Regional group sets occupy global entry-level matching markets. Number 4, the Wuyang Jingqi full carbon road bike. It weighs 8.8 kilograms with premium stock parts. It has garnered massive amateur cyclist anticipation. Number 5, Phoenix FNX Professional BMX Bicycle. Optimized geometry fits extreme off-road riding scenarios. Number 6, hand-laid custom carbon frames in Hall N1. Unique carbon grain attracts high-end bicycle collectors. Falco showcased its Jaguar-shaped triathlon e-bike. Its molded carbon frame weighs around 2.6 kilograms. It has an integrated tank and professional electronic group set. The regular version retails for approximately $5,000. A limited gold-plated carbon edition is also available. W2 displays many cost-effective OEM bicycle products. Light Carbon launched its versatile all-road carbon frame. This frame fits up to 38C road tires. The frame and bar set is priced at roughly $950. Its gravel frame supports 50C wide off-road tires. It also owns a mature 3D printed aero frame prototype. W2 frame trend, aero and gravel crossover design prevails. Leisure geometry replaces aggressive racing geometry. Evolve is the sister brand of Elite Wheels Company. Its unpainted SEMA road frame weighs 650 grams. The complete bike hits 4.9 kilograms without pedals. Its gravel frame weighs 750 grams. Ultra-light frame trend, raw carbon cuts production costs. Simple carbon style is popular among young global riders. Evan released a burgundy gravel bike in Exhibition Hall E1. Its asymmetrical frame fits up to 50C wide tires. The base version costs approximately $1,500. The storage-equipped version is roughly $1,600. 850 grams wheels are great upgrade choices. Silicon-modified tires suit all kinds of cycling enthusiasts. I've compiled a practical shopping list for everyday riders. It covers frames, wheels, and aftermarket hardware parts. First, differentially thickened carbon frames from W2. They balance stiffness and compliance perfectly for riders. Light Carbon's frame series owns outstanding versatility. Its new bars cater to the modern relaxed riding trend. Second, 3D printed carbon parts are displayed in W4. They fit lightweight reinforcement and aesthetic upgrades. Light Carbon gifted me a 3D printed titanium mount. Portable maintenance tool sets have great cost performance. They include torque wrenches and scratch-resistant tire levers. These tools are perfect for personal at-home maintenance. W4 B2B wholesale feature, tools adopt international torque standards. European shop batch orders gain customized packaging services. Third, full ceramic bearings are exhibited in Hall E4. They drastically enhance wheel rolling efficiency on roads. Fast Sports launched premium ceramic bearing wheels. These wheels with warranty are priced at nearly $2,000. Fourth, modified tires improve wet pavement grip safety. Evans ultra-wide gravel wheels cost around $950. These wheels perfectly match wide all-terrain gravel tires. Fifth, Bafang e-bikes suit long urban commuting trips. It delivers quiet and consistent motor power assistance. Fast Sports launched many innovative mechanical upgrades. Its detachable carbon axles cost roughly $400. Air 2 climbing wheels weigh 848 grams. This wheel set is priced at around $1,700. Its new gravel wheels adopt Bird synthetic fiber spokes. It represents the latest global wheel design trend. Wheel industry trend, fiber spokes replace metal spokes. Ultra lightweight becomes high-end wheel iteration direction. Every listed product owns stable manufacturing quality. I will share objective forecasts and my personal opinions. These comments focus on all regional bicycle brands. First, local carbon manufacturing keeps steady advancing. New techniques lower professional frame production barriers. Regional OEMs transform into independent retail brands. B2B export pattern, brands adopt local first sales strategy. They test market feedback before large overseas delivery. Second, road and gravel bike boundaries keep blurring. Wide tire road bikes and aero gravel frames become mainstream. Road bikes adopt 30C to 38C tires. Gravel bikes commonly exceed 50C tire clearance. Brands prioritize adaptability over raw riding speed. Asymmetrical tubes optimize bicycle vibration damping. Third, e-bikes become smarter and more diversified. Yadia and Aima keep accelerating global brand expansion. Hidden batteries become standard factory configuration. Overall B2B Expo conclusion, this Expo serves global supply chains. It connects raw suppliers, factories, and international distributors. Mid-tier carbon products own absolute export price advantages. High-end customized bikes compete with European products. Local manufacturers own great creativity and productivity. Western brands often release only conceptual prototypes. Regional brands launch finished retail products at low prices. I am impressed by Light Carbon, Evan, and Fast Sports. I plan to release their in-depth build videos later. I remain skeptical about the midshaft free concept bike. Its riding performance improvement is barely noticeable. The enclosed structure brings hidden maintenance risks. The $300 Nimbus group set will disrupt entry-level markets. Our complete 3Y Bike Expo series officially ends now. It includes immersive walks and professional analyses. I documented all specifications without any exaggeration. This expo shows this region's manufacturing evolution. It shifts from OEM production to independent innovation. International brands lead high-end carbon racing technology. Regional brands excel in supply chain and intelligent systems. Like, save, and share this 5-episode series. Make sure you check out every episode on this 3Y channel. I will cover various industrial tech exhibitions in the future, not limited to bicycles, for broader manufacturing insights. Stay tuned for more global expo tours and bike reviews. I'll see you at the next bicycle exhibition. Subscribe to 3Y for premium cycling content. Bye, guys!